Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today you're watching giveaway informative. So guys, today's giveaway is conducted by Indian Artics on Instagram. So let's see how to participate in this guys. But before this, I'm gonna tell you that on Amazon there is a sale on electronics in which you get up to 70% off, and in the sale the offers on fridge, TV and ACs, also on headphones, speakers, phones, earphones, means these type up to 70% off you can get on these things. So you can directly go through the link which is in description. You can open it and if you like something you can buy. Link is description, directly you can go through it. So now let's see how to participate in this giveaway. So guys, for participating in this giveaway, first of all you have to open your Instagram account. When you open it, search Indian Arctics, then this type of interface will come. Open its latest giveaway and first of all guys, like it. When you like it, there are three things which you can win. First is Apple iPhone 11 64 GB, second is Canon 200D second, and third is GoPro Hero 8. There's three things. Among these three things you can win one of these things. So let's see how to participate. First of all guys, you have to follow all the profiles which Indian Arctics is following now. Then leave a like to this post. When you do these two things, you have to tag your friends. And guys, many times I told you, as much as you can tag your friends, because this is beneficial for you. So these three things you have to do, and the four is means guys, for a higher chance of winning, you have to repost this story in your repost this on your story and tag Indian Artists. These things you have to do. And guys, after when you mention your friends, don't mention any famous guy or professional, any famous Instagram account. If you do that, you will be disqualified for this giveaway. Now let's talk about this giveaway date. So giveaway winner will be decided on 20th August 9:30 on this page only. Like you can see that there are like this winner 27th July, 3rd August, like this. On 20th of this month the winner will be announced. So you can just go and participate like this on this giveaway guys. So best of luck for this giveaway. I hope the winner is from my subscribers only. Best of luck guys.